we guide you through how to add Stripe to WordPress. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, then click Add New and search for Stripe payment plugins like WP Simple Pay or WooCommerce Stripe Gateway. Then install and activate it. Next, open plugin settings and click Connect to Stripe, where you will log in or create a Stripe account and authorize the connection. After that, configure your payment settings by choosing currency, payment methods like cards or Apple Pay, and setting where you want payments to go, such as checkout forms or product pages. Then, enable test mode so you can safely try a transaction without a real money and confirm everything is working correctly. Once tested, switch to the live mode and make sure your Stripe keys are properly saved. Next, add the payment form or checkout button to page using a shortcode or block editor. Then publish your page and test it again as a real user would to confirm smooth checkout. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now fully connected to Stripe and ready to accept secure online payments.